Hey, this is Kay Browner, and I am with her, Heroines Embracing Recovery. Today we're going to talk about unity. Unity is a major component. It's a real major component with all of us here with the veterans, but particularly female veterans. We're going to have to learn how to come together in different ways because we have so many different issues, so many different challenges that need to be met. A lot of us are not on social media, so we have to figure out how we will come together to help those who are not on social media. I've did a big poll on my Facebook page, and a lot of people agreed that getting in different groups like Zooms or GroupMe or just getting on an email list to try to make sure we check on each other is the best way to go. There are different issues that we have that we need to bond together with to make sure that we get the help that we need. One of the issues that we tend to have is lack of healthcare services tailored to us. I don't know about too many other facilities, but anything dealing with me as a female, I have to have separate appointments and I have to go to separate facilities for those appointments. Why would I not be able to just get it done all in one place? That's something that needs to be addressed. Another thing that needs to be addressed is, I know a lot of us have coeducation when it comes to our mental health. What's wrong with just getting in groups and having that support with one another and getting what we need? There are a lot of groups that do exist, but we definitely need those groups as well for mental health. Another thing that we need to do is make sure we form outreaches for one another for other things that are tailored to women. We have female issues. We have health issues with menopause. We have things going on in our families with our children, and PTSD and menopause, they just don't mix. Another policy that we need to work on is increasing policies for women dealing with sexual harassment in the workplace, in the military, and outside the military in different communities. And another major thing that we can also work on, funding for childcare, for education when we try to go to school or when we're trying to go to work. For veterans, female vets, we shouldn't have to come out of our pocket if we're trying to go to work for education. If we're trying to go to school, we need to be able to implement policies and put them in place so that we can go to school or go to work and have adequate child care. So those are some issues that we definitely need to work on as veteran female vets, and just trying to become a unit, one with one another. I was in Desert Storm in the 90s, so it's very important for young ladies who are exiting the service now, have people like myself and older veterans to be a support to them. If they have any issues, we're supposed to be able to give them the answers or give them some type of direction to go into. That's the unity that we're speaking of, making sure that whatever it is that they're trying to do, if they want to begin having children, if they are dealing with health issues, if they're dealing with any type of mental issues, they should be able to come to us first so they can get the direction that they need to go into the hospitals and to the clinics. It's very important that there are therapists, that there are doctors, that there are all different types of team leaders who can help veterans, female vets, once they enter the civilian world. It's so much that they can do, it's so much help out here, and it's necessary that they get the help that they need. They should be able to come right out and not wonder where they're going to go or who they're going to see or how they're going to get their benefits started or where their children are going to go. They should be able to get all those services, and that is what my company is all about. As female veterans need specific things. We're ladies. We have children. We have issues with mental health. We have issues within our body. The older ones, we need more care. The young ones need preventative care. We need to be able to take care of our female vets. After they decide that they want to have children, we have to make sure that if they want to go back to work, they have child care services. If they want to go back to school, that child care service is still available for them. So those are some very important things that we want to have for them. Also, we need to start implementing more policies to make sure that other things in the workplace, sexual harassment, is done. We need those policies in place so that our women vets can feel protected and taken care of. There's a lot of things that we're not receiving, or we're slow to receive, or we have to go miles and miles out the way for, and it's just not fair. So the sooner we can get a bond or unity with one another to get some of these policies changed and get things in place, the better it is for all of us. We should be able to come out into the civilian world and know exactly where we need to go. There should be plenty of companies and businesses set up to kind of construct a way for all of our female vets to go. Some of us are not going to want to go directly to the hospital. We're going to want to talk to other females in our village, in our community, so that we can know exactly what steps to take. So it won't take us forever to get our disability benefits started. So it won't take us forever to start getting seen at the VA hospitals. You know, we need our own VA hospital so that anything that we need to have done, we don't have to wait until an appointment months and months down the road is open. We shouldn't have to go to 3 or 4 different facilities to be seen for a health care checkup. Mental health checkup here, health care checkup there. You know, it's just something that we need to make sure is implemented for us. Healthcare services are very important. We need to be able to take care of ourselves in a timely manner. We need to work on increasing funding for outreach programs. Not just mental health and health related issues. We also have issues with women who are homeless. We have issues with women who are on drugs. We have issues with women who are dealing with alcoholism and other issues that are stemming from the service, that are service related. So we need to be able to get those women the health care that they need. So with all of that said, we need to come together in unity with I'm With Her, Heroines Embracing Recovery. This is Kay Browner, and you all take care. Hey, it's KB with I'm With Her, Heroines Embracing Recovery. And I'm doing a roll call because I need you. I need all my military ladies from all branches, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard. I don't care if you're a veteran. I don't care if you're active duty. I don't care if you're reserve. I need you to be a part of my community. We have to pull together and unite so that we can help all of our female soldiers who are going in, coming out, and who are active duty. It doesn't matter the branch. If you have issues with mental health, if you have issues with health services that you need rendered, if you have issues with child care, if you need any type of other services with education or with anything dealing with employment, we are building a community and we need everyone on our team. I'm With Her, Heroines Embracing Recovery.